Hey friends, if you wish to manage multiple edge profiles for diverse needs, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So open Microsoft Edge, click on your profile picture, click on other profiles and you will find multiple profiles here. There's also a second profile that I had created earlier for this experiment. Now, if you wish to create a new personal profile, simply click here and then you can sync or you can choose not to sync and then you can create a profile and then you can create a theme. Usually people prefer to keep a different color so that you know that the profile is a different one. Okay, and then you can also change the details of the profile. Okay, like you can change the name, like I'll make it Karan 3 and I will also choose an avatar and click on this and now I will have multiple profiles here. Okay, so just check this current profile 2, 3, and so on. Now, what's the benefit of profiles? It's like you can keep all your passwords, bookmarks, and everything accounts on a separate profile. It's like opening multiple Edge browsers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.